In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable or disable sleep mode in Windows 11. Whether you want your PC to stay awake for longer tasks, or you prefer to go to sleep quickly to save power, I'll walk you through everything step by step in a clear and simple way. Let's start by opening the Settings app. On your keyboard, click the Start button, then select the small gear icon if you see it, or simply type Settings and press Enter. This will open the main settings window where we can adjust how your computer behaves when it's idle. On the left-hand side of the settings window, make sure you're in the System section. This is usually the first option, and it handles things like display, sound, notifications, and power. Once you're in System, look for the option labeled Power and Battery. Go ahead and click that. This is where all the important power-related settings live in Windows 11. Inside Power and Battery, scroll down until you see a section called Screen and Sleep. This area controls when your screen turns off and when your computer actually goes into sleep mode. These might be split into separate options depending on whether you're using a laptop on battery power or plugged in. You'll see options like On battery power, put my device to sleep after, and When plugged in, put my device to sleep after. To enable sleep mode, choose a time from the drop-down menu, such as 5, 10, or 30 minutes. This means that after that amount of inactivity, your computer will automatically go to sleep. If you want to effectively disable sleep mode, set these options to Never. Do this for both battery power and when plugged in if you don't want the device to sleep at all. Just keep in mind that disabling sleep can use more power and may drain your battery faster on a laptop, so it's a good idea to leave at least one mode with a reasonable timeout if you care about battery life. Once you've chosen the times that work best for you, you're done. You can simply close the settings window. Windows will remember these changes automatically. From now on, your PC will either stay awake or go to sleep based on the preferences you just set. That's all you need to know to enable or disable sleep mode in Windows 11.